Hi there, I'm G and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we are making lasagna roll-ups. Lasagna roll-ups are a fun way to serve lasagna. Smaller than the traditional lasagna, this is a great dish for an intimate dinner for two. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. To get started, prepare the meat sauce. Heat a large saucepan over medium-high heat and add the olive oil. Then add the sausage and ground beef and cook, stirring occasionally until browned, which should take about 6 to 8 minutes. You can substitute the ground beef for ground turkey or chicken, or you could just only use Italian sausage. Additionally, if you want to make this vegetarian, then don't use any beef or Italian sausage. Lower the heat to medium and add the chopped onions and cook, stirring occasionally until softened, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the garlic and cook, stirring constantly until fragrant. Now add the tomato paste and cook, stirring constantly until the tomato paste turns slightly darker in color. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes. Add the water and scrape up any brown bits on the bottom of the pan. Stir in the crushed tomatoes and mix until well combined. Now add the sugar, Italian seasoning, salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, and parsley. Simmer for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally, making sure to scrape down the bottom of the pot while stirring. While the tomato sauce is simmering, bring a pot of salted water to a boil. Once the water reaches a boil, add the lasagna noodles and cook until al dente, which should take about 8 minutes. Then in a bowl, add ricotta, egg, mozzarella, Parmesan, parsley, black pepper, and salt. Mix and set aside. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then spread a thin layer of the meat sauce on the bottom of the baking dish and set aside. In a hurry, substitute store-bought sauce and just add in ground beef and the Italian sausage. Now it's time to assemble the lasagna roll-ups. Line a sheet pan with parchment paper. Pat the lasagna noodles dry and place them on the prepared sheet pan. Spread a thin layer of ricotta filling over each lasagna noodle. Top with a layer of meat sauce. Make sure that the meat sauce is cool enough to handle. Use your fingers to gently roll the lasagna noodles from one end to the other. Place the rolled lasagna, seam side down, into the prepared baking dish. Add the remaining meat sauce over the prepared lasagna roll-ups. Sprinkle the mozzarella and Parmesan cheese over the top. Cover the baking dish with aluminum foil and bake for 15 minutes. Remove the aluminum foil and bake for an additional 15 minutes. Garnish with parsley or basil and serve and enjoy. If you want the full recipe, then check out the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes, where you will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. And I don't know about you, but I'm so excited to see what is coming up next. See you again soon.